am Nandini, the student of this institute. So today we are going to play the debate game, and our team is supporting old era and our opponent team is supporting new era. So let's start the debate.
Old era. As the name suggested, the old. It means the time which has gone. I mean, the time it has gone. Why to focus it? It's new era, right? The old era is something which has gone. Why are you being focused? Okay, try to focus which is about to come. Okay, and one more thing, in old era, how much untouchability was there, how much discrimination was there, and the people, I can tell you, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, they were the four castes which was being divided in the old era. And not only this, SC, ST and untouchability, Sati Pratha, there was lot of problem get arises in the old era. But now in new era,
yes, sir, I accept that.
less of
yes,
problems.
Sir. See, I accept your point that you were saying that about social event and all that, so I accept your point. But what we get in old era, we get purity, we get humbleness, we get kindness, we get helpful person. And in that old era, people are helpful to each other. They can help anyone. Even you can find there's no greediness. There is no there is no discrimination. That even
as you are talking about that humbleness, that do you know about the Sati Pratha? In that the people used to burn the bridal, that called humbleness? It is not, sir. Now we are having a right, we are having a fundamental right by which we can kill the caste system which were divided into four.
There is humbleness.
Brahman and
nowadays there is humbleness. What kinds of humbleness you are talking about? What kinds of humbleness? They are fighting, it is humbleness. They are raping, it is humbleness. They are if any people who went to any home and they are saying what, who are you? It is humbleness. They are taking any kinds of thing, it is humbleness.
And yes,
this is all the things which is very wrong.
Sorry,
and if we talk about the
I can continue.
New era
and we have a humbleness, because humbleness is too much important for a person. And what do you say? In our previous time, have people having a humbleness. If people having a humbleness, so why Sati Pratha is started? Why people doing unnecessary thing with the girl? Why people doing was doing a bad activity for the girls? And why people don't educated our girls? Why?
Okay,
But
so
in new era,
you are caring a lot about the girls and the women's. Okay, so now in the new era, what we are seeing, a girl is getting respect. There is no Sati Pratha, and still she is getting raped, and still she is getting murdered by a boy in the roadside, and nobody is helping her. That what you mean by the humble and the politeness? In the old era, there was loyalty. There was the thing that we can't have in the new era. In the old era, we were having the peoples, those who work hard, those who can help you in your worst time. But now in the new era, everyone is greedy. Everyone think about their own self. They don't even think about the person who is in the trouble.
Really, the old era, the dominance by the panchayat, the dominance by the zamindars are you talking about that? There is so much dominance, but there is no law, there is no strictness. The police are actually greedy. Are you talking about this? This is actually now the rape, but there is a law. There is a good.
So, ma'am, please tell me the right law of the girls. There is also rape by the men and many things. And tell me the right law for the safety for the girls. There is no. But in old era, there is a safety of the women, the supporting of the women, the purity, connectivity with each of the persons. But now you can see many discriminations is there also.
Okay, so ma'am, I want to say that like in new era we have technology which we need most, because if we have the technology we can do everything, like as you tell about the security. So if we have the technology, so we can do security for.
So what do you think about technology? You said, do you know about the 19th century? Many experience has been done by the Einstein and Newton. This is the good things, and moreover things about nowadays. Do you know relativity and the gravity? And this is the found of the old era. And moreover things about the you said of the equality. Do you know the Atul case? And he didn't get
I would like to tell you that you were talking about the rape case, but now we are having a law and the courts. By that, a rapist can get punishment from them. But in the old era, when the people are burning the bridal, there no one is there who will punish them. So why you are supporting the old era was good? Because there was no humbleness.
Okay, so you are
Because the
talking
people
about
are-
the law and the system of law. Like in the old era, we were not having the law. In the new era, we are having the law. We are having the strictness and the kind of thing that what you are saying. So which type of law you are talking about? Like a girl is not getting a justice. That what you mean by the law? That what? I really don't think so. That is the law. And you are talking about the law of India. I really don't think so. The law of India is really good. Like the right to speak, there is law, but there is not the legal tender to apply that law in someone's life. Nobody is helping someone. Not even a judge, not even a lawyer is helping someone. Without money, they will not even take your case to
Okay,
fight.
listen, it isn't the fault of a law, or it isn't the fault of a new era, so don't try to blame it. It is a fault of money, or it is a fault of those just that who are not going to provide them the justice. Try to have this point in your mind. Second one, old era. What is actually a old era? Where the peoples are not aware with the facility, with the opportunity. You are just here at the new era and just telling about the old era. Yes, I accept the fact if the old era was fine, but now think about new era. What kind of facilities you are getting? What kind of
Yes,
opportunities
brother, as
you
you
are
were
getting?
talking about the opportunities and the facilities that we are not having in the old era, that's a wrong mentality, that's the wrong knowledge that you are having in your mind. See, in old era, we can also get that kind of facility which is necessary for the human and which is the basic need of human. We can get that. Even as you were talking about the law, there's too much strict law for those people, those are doing any kind of crime in the front of king, that the king give a strong punishment to them.
Comparison to old era, we have a-
Even listen.
Yes, I am listening.
See, listening.
I am listening.
See, listen my point first. Check the crime rate of today, now era, and check the crime rate of previous era. You can find a huge difference between it.
Private crime is also happening with the criminal, and if I talk about our girls, so girls, no one do protect you. You will protect your own self, because no one will protect of your accepting your family. If you will do protect, so yes, you will do own safety about of your profit. And about of the second thing about old era and new era, it's a too much.
What is new era? What is there?
New
What
era,
is-
new
what
era
is
having
there?
a AI.
What
new
is
era
there?
having a robot.
AI,
new era
robot.
having
It is
goods
good.
of lots
Is it
of
good? Is it good?
facility.
What do you think
Comparison
about
to old era?
No. Is it good? Old era, new era is there. AI is there. And Google is there. All the things is there. Is it good? Is it not good? And SE is good. Is it not good? Because of harming, global harming. There is a pollution. Is it good? Is it not? All is good. Always. We are saying that all is good.
Sir,
What
now
is
we
the
are
meaning of
having a
all is
voting
good?
system. Now we are having a voting system. But now the old era, there is only one king who were dominating all over the people. Means the son would be the king of the king. So that was the disadvantage of the old era. There you don't have the right
I don't
by
think
which
so.
you can cast your vote, by which you can select your candidate. But now you are having a right, by that you can select your candidate in the government.
Election is good. Do you know about the England? There is a monarchy, and they are the ahead of our country. This is a point in many European country. In the Europe, many countries they follow the monarchy, dictatorship, but they are the ahead of us because they have a good mentality. And the moreover things about what do you think about technology? AGI is not good from my point of view because many experts said it will be killed a humankind. There's a man, they are the superior man. We start to killing us. This is a proof. And you know what? Many kind of person there is a found because they are making a own language. Many has been research.
What we have in a new era, you are saying by that we have a good healthcare technologies. Do you know about that? If a person have a cardiac arrest, we know about their problems by the technology that in new era have in your old era doesn't have. Don't have a good doctors, don't have a large number of doctors, but new But era the have ma'am, that. you talk about the technology, but the technology gives you many diseases. That's why you have a technology to prevent your disease. But now you all are forgetting that things. The inflation is there, and the many people are poor is there. If you check on the Google, so inflation increasing day by day. But that time there is no depression, there is no poverty, and the people are connecting with each other and help with each other. So why you are talking about the new era is good?
Say that,
Please
like, do you know
listen
about
to
the
me, ma'am.
facilities? Do you know in the old era we don't have facilities like the robot facilities, because if we have the robot in new era, so we can do everything in within a second. But in the old era, if we want to call someone, so we don't have phone that time. But now new era we have phone, so we can do call within a second for getting information from their parents or from their family members. But in the old era we have to write the letter and we have to post and we have to get answer within a
Yeah,
3
we
months
have
or
to
4
post
months.
a letter, and that was the best feeling that we can do in the old era. Okay, and you're talking about hospital and the doctor facilities. So in the old era, we don't even need a doctor, not even the hospital for the facilities. Okay, because in the old era the things were too fine, the things were too good, because there was the greenery, there was the fresh air, there was the fresh water, there were the animal who were living. And you're
Okay, now
talking about the
listen,
new
listen,
era,
listen.
you can find any
Ma'am,
animal who
listen.
is living.
Listen,
All
ma'am.
animals are dying and
Your
the air
point
is
is
not
such a
even
useless.
pure.